Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with Progressive for usage-based snapshot enrollment step by step clearly. Start by navigating to the Progressive website. Locate the Get a Quote button on the home page. Click on the button to begin the process. Enter your zip code in the designated field. Provide the necessary information about your vehicle. This includes the make, model, and year. Click Continue to proceed. You will then need to input your personal information. This includes your name, address, and date of birth. Review the information for accuracy. After confirming your details, click Continue once more. Next, you will be prompted to choose coverage options. Select the options that best suit your needs. Once you've made your selections, click Continue. Now, you will see an option for the Snapshot program. Look for the section that describes usage-based insurance. Read through the details to understand how Snapshot works. If you're ready to enroll, select Enroll in Snapshot. You may need to provide additional information for enrollment. Follow the prompts on the screen to complete this step. After enrolling, you will receive your Snapshot device. This device monitors your driving habits over a set period. Install the device according to the provided instructions. Once installed, remember to drive as you normally would. After the monitoring period, the data will be analyzed. You will then receive feedback on your driving habits. Based on this data, you may be eligible for discounts. Check your Progressive account for updates on your Snapshot results. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.